Hello friends, welcome to Device Doctor. Today we will explore 5 common mistakes that can break your Epson printer. If you want to avoid problems with your printer, stay with us.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Epson printers are renowned for their excellent print quality, but certain mistakes can easily lead to their malfunction. Here are 5 common errors to avoid. 1. Using inappropriate paper. Utilizing low quality or unsuitable paper can cause jams or damage to the printer. Always use paper that meets your printer's specifications. 2. Placing the printer in an unsuitable location. Positioning your printer in damp or hot areas can harm its internal components. Additionally, during winter, it's important to protect it from cold temperatures. 3. Neglecting regular maintenance and cleaning. Your printer requires regular cleaning. Accumulation of dust and dried ink can lead to various issues. By maintaining a routine cleaning schedule, you can extend the lifespan of your printer. For failing to update software, printer software should be kept up to date. Regular updates can reduce compatibility issues and improve overall performance. Using non-original ink. Non-original inks may diminish print quality and even damage the printer. Always opt for original inks to ensure optimal performance. By following these guidelines, you can prevent issues with your Epson printer and enjoy high-quality prints. Until the next video, bye!